What's up, everybody? It's Jimmy. Today we're tackling leftover ham with 5 insanely good recipes that'll have you saying leftover what. If you're new here, thanks for watching. Alright, let's get cooking. First up, a breakfast casserole that's gonna blow your mind. This isn't just any breakfast casserole. It's the ultimate ham and cheese breakfast casserole. Cheesy, savory, and packed with ham in every bite. You'll need 10 large eggs, 1 cup of milk, 1 teaspoon salt, half a teaspoon black pepper to give it that perfect kick, 2 cups shredded cheddar cheese, 1 cup diced ham for that rich hearty flavor, and 1 cup cubed bread which will soak up all the delicious flavors. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and grease a 9x 13-inch baking dish. This ensures your casserole doesn't stick and comes out perfectly. In a large bowl, whisk together the eggs, milk, salt, and pepper. Make sure it's well combined for an even texture. Stir in 1.5 cups of cheese, ham, and bread cubes. This is where all the magic happens. Pour the mixture into the baking dish and sprinkle the remaining cheese on top. This will give it a beautiful cheesy crust. Bake for 45-50 minutes until golden brown. The aroma will fill your kitchen and make your mouth water. Let it cool before slicing and serving. Enjoy this delightful start to your day. Next up, ham and potato soup. This is the ultimate comfort food, perfect for warming you up on a chilly evening. You'll need 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 chopped onion, 2 chopped carrots, 2 chopped celery stalks, and 4 cups of chicken broth. These ingredients form the base of our delicious soup. Next, prepare 4 cups of peeled and cubed potatoes and 1 cup of diced ham. These will add heartiness and flavor to the soup. You'll also need half a cup of heavy cream, and don't forget the salt and pepper to taste. These will make the soup creamy and perfectly seasoned. Start by heating the olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. This will be the base for sautéing our vegetables. Add the chopped onion, carrots, and celery to the pot. Cook until they are softened and fragrant. This should take about 5-7 minutes. Pour in the chicken broth and add the cubed potatoes. Stir well to combine all the ingredients. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer until the potatoes are tender, which should take about 15 or 20 minutes. Once the potatoes are tender, blend the soup until smooth using an immersion blender. This will give the soup a creamy texture. Stir in the diced ham and heavy cream. Continue to heat the soup through until everything is well combined and hot. Season the soup with salt and pepper to taste. Ladle the hot soup into bowls, and if you like, top it with some shredded cheese and a dollop of sour cream for extra richness. Enjoy your cozy bowl of ham and potato soup. Ham and pineapple pizza is a classic for a reason. The sweetness of pineapple and savory ham is culinary heaven. You'll need 1 pre-made pizza crust, half a cup of pizza sauce, 1 cup shredded mozzarella cheese, half a cup diced ham, and half a cup pineapple chunks. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Spread pizza sauce over the crust. Sprinkle with mozzarella, then top with ham and pineapple. Bake for 12-15 minutes until the crust is golden and cheese is bubbly. Slice it up and enjoy. Need a crowd-pleasing snack? Try these cheesy ham sliders. You'll need 12 slider rolls, half a cup melted butter, 1 tablespoon Dijon mustard, 1 teaspoon poppy seeds, half a teaspoon garlic powder, 2 cups thinly sliced ham, and 1.5 cups shredded Swiss cheese. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Whisk together melted butter, Dijon mustard, poppy seeds, and garlic powder. Slice rolls in half and place bottoms in a greased 9x 13-inch baking dish. Layer ham and cheese, then top with roll tops. Pour butter mixture over rolls. Bake for 15-20 minutes until cheese is melted and rolls are golden. Slice and serve warm. Last but not least, ham fried rice. This dish is a perfect blend of flavors and textures, making it a favorite for many. Easier than you think and better than takeout. You can whip this up in no time, and it's a great way to use up leftover rice and ham. You'll need 1 tablespoon sesame oil, 1 diced onion, 1 cup diced ham, all of which add a rich and savory base to the dish. 1 cup frozen peas and carrots, 3 cups cooked rice, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, which bring in the perfect balance of sweetness and umami, a 1/4 teaspoon black pepper to add a hint of spice, and 2 sliced green onions for a fresh and vibrant finish. Heat sesame oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. The aroma will start to fill your kitchen. Add onion, cook until softened. This will take about 3-4 minutes. Add ham. Cook until heated through. Stir occasionally to ensure even cooking. Push to one side and add peas and carrots. Cook until heated. This should take another 2-3 minutes. Add rice. Break up with a spatula. Make sure the rice is evenly distributed and heated through. Pour in soy sauce, oyster sauce, and black pepper. Stir fry until everything is well combined and heated through. Enjoy your delicious homemade ham-fried rice. There you have it, 5 delicious recipes for leftover ham. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments. Hit like and subscribe for more awesome recipes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.